Hi, this is Luke from Two Parts Pro. Today we have 2010 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 6663. It's ran from the 7th 2008 to the 12th 2013. It has an M9R 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed 4-wheel drive transmission. This is the M9R 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, front bonnet, left front door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front headlight, right front 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,